this is CNA Gupta. I welcome you all on this channel. We all are facing a very difficult time, and I wish that this time should over very soon. I believe that there is a power in prayers. Let's pray together that this pandemic time will go out. We really want to focus on work. We really want to meet our loved ones. Everyone have something to do, but we are not able to do anything. And every day it's very difficult to hear all these bad news. So this time should be over very soon. As a chartered accountant and as a human being, and for the businessman and the traders and everyone I'm working for, I can understand that this point of time it's very difficult to do the compliances, to pay taxes on time, to file returns on time, because at this point of time our family needs us. We need mental stability, we need inner growth, we need inner stability, that we should focus on our family. And at this point of time, if government is saying that there is a late fees because you are not doing compliances, this is a very wrong thing. So here, Confederation of All India Traders has made an appeal to the FM. They sent a letter where they are demanding for the extension. For few deadlines, they are asking for the extension, and the reason they are giving is the COVID lockdown and suffering of traders. We all know that the traders are actually suffering very much. They are obviously there is money outflows there, but there is no inflow, because we need to pay salary, we need to pay rent, we need to pay electricity bill, but there is no sale at all because our offices are closed. There is no work from home facilities for the traders itself. So at this point of time, they also mentioned that Chanakya said that capital eating in any business lends to destruction of the economy of the country, which is actually happening these days. So as per the estimate, in past 40 days, there's a business loss of about 7 lakh CR in non-corporate sector, which includes traders, transporters, self-employed person, and startup, bringing the business activity to a grinding halt. Besides, there's a substantial loss of business to tiny shops, small street vendors, hawkers, and various other people who are indulging into similar kind of business activities. So, for these things, we need to have the relief from the government, and that is first, for the all statutory dates under GST and income tax, with either tax is to be paid or return has to be filed, may be extended till 31st August 2020. So date should be extended to 31st August 2021 for all the GST and the income tax, and the challan should be treated as a document of payment and not from GST 3B under GST. This is the second demand. Third, the changes brought in the procedure through notification number 1 and 94 oblique 1 oblique 2021 and 94 oblique 2020. They are asking for that should be deferred, and the changes brought through the current budget may be deferred, that they are asking for again. Will all stakeholders and state GST commissioners, the bank should be directed ISM to charge any interest on the loans for the period of lockdown, and moratorium 6 months may be allowed to pay the EMIs of the loans, squaring up the loans and advances. To facilitate the small traders to keep business activity running, a corona loan may be given to traders at a reasonable rate of interest with limited KYC to enable particular small traders having a turnover up to rupees 10 CR. So they are demanding that there should be a loan, corona loan for the small traders, and with the limited KYC, because at this point of time it's very difficult to complete the documentations. So there should be help by the government, by the banks, and there should be brought under the ambit of MSME. Traders should be brought, because in the definition of MSME, traders are not covered. So they actually are not able to take the benefits what MSME are taking. So they are asking that the traders should be brought into the ambit of the MSME. The salary of the random period of the employees who are registered under ESI may be given from the ESI Welfare Fund, which is having an accumulated balance of about 60,000 crores, or to the best of our knowledge. It is to be recalled that in any package which was announced last year, the traders were not given a single penny. It is requested that a suitable package may be announced for the traders, which will enable them to continue their business activity in a smooth manner. Earlier, there was a package that was announced by Nirmala ma'am, and but actually traders were not getting any benefit from that. So now this time they're demanding that there should be a benefit for the traders as well. And now they are writing that we're sure that you will be kind in accepting our humble proposal above, which will certainly provide enough strength to the traders to stand on their own legs. We shall be grateful if an earliest convenient appointment may be given to us to discuss the proposal raised by. Meanwhile, we would like to assure that more than 40,000 trade associations in the country stand in solidarity with the government for its fight against COVID pandemic. We are sure that it will met with your immediate attention. You will be kind in taking necessary action. So we are expecting that we will get the extension, and at this point of time, I really think that this is the main requirement for the businesses, because at this point of time, if someone is saying that you are late, you are one day late, you need to pay late fees, you need to pay penalties, it's very difficult. It's not possible at all, because people are running businesses these days that is equivalent to for a big fight. It's not easy to run businesses at this point of time. There's huge losses to the businesses, there's no sales sources, and above that, people health are sacrificing, because not just because of COVID, there are many people who are dying because of heart attack, because of other disease, because they are taking so much pressure, they are into the depression that they are not able to run their businesses, they are not able to feed their families. So that's why they are in so much of pressure. And at this point of time, if government is saying that pay the taxes on time, pay the late fees, pay the demand, pay the notice, pay the interest, that is very difficult. That is very difficult as per my understanding. There should be extension for everyone. There should be relaxation for everyone. And I really wish that this time should be over very, very soon. We will pray together for these things, and these things will end very soon, and pandemic will over very soon. Let's see what is going to happen. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Bye.